Hi, I thought I'd share three video clips I took on my phone just to show how different uses of colour can help with blending and adding detail. So the first one that we're coming to is this lovely fox red Labrador, and using the light flesh over the top of terracotta, burnt ochre, some yellow ochre and cream. It really does pull out the colour lovely and also blends the colours underneath it. We then go on to this lovely little Cocker Spaniel. I've got all of the colours in here, and I'm just now starting to highlight the hairs using the dark indigo, just very lightly going in and just adding a line here, a line there, and that really does help to make the hair look like hair. You know, it's a really good effect. And then another way of blending is on this gorgeous horse, just using the different colours. I'm using the Caput Mortem Violet, the very short hair on the horse's face. That's what I kind of try and replicate when I'm putting that in with the pencils. You know, little tiny backwards and forwards strokes, you know, really helps to make it look like that short, you know, stubby hair. And that's the India red that's going over the top of that there, and that really helps to blend again. Here I'm starting to use one of my my all-time favourite go-to colours. It's the Polychromos Sanguine. It's a fantastic colour to use with cool and warm colours. Great for blending, especially on the pastel mat. You can see here how I'm adding those little short backwards and forwards strokes to replicate that short hair still, and making sure that I go over the edges of the other colours that I've already got down there, because I'm wanting to pull those colours down, blend them out. I don't want any hard lines, you know, and going over and making the other colours really rich by adding that sanguine over the top of them. I'm now using a dark indigo, which is fantastic for getting that deep chocolate brown, and also the dark indigo over the sanguine, which is an orange colour. You don't get the green tinge if you'd use something like a terracotta, which is why I use it so much in my in the fur that I create, because it's horrible to get sort of like a greeny tinge that you didn't really want to you know, or anticipate having. Know what you think? Subscribe to my channel, let me know other videos that you'd like to see, and thank you for watching.